Today I am going to discuss a topic that is molecular orbital theory, that we called as MOT, molecular orbital theory. The theories like VBT, whisper and MOT. These theories are basically these all theories discuss the molecular behavior of the molecular behavior. Like we are having VBT, that gives the concept of overlapping, whisper, that gives the concept of angular location of the active set around the central pair. So basically these all theories give the concept, they discuss the molecular behavior. Here in this MOT will be discussing about three things, that is magnetism, color, bond order. Here in MOT, in molecular orbital theory, we'll be discussing magnetism, color, bond order. These are basically the behavior, molecular behavior of the molecule, or the properties of the molecule. Like there are some certain behavior, these properties like magnetism, color, bond order, that whisper and VBT have not discussed. They were unable to tell about the magnetism, color, bond order. So basically there were three scientists, Hunt, Huckel, and third one was Mulliken. These were the three scientists who have discussed these properties, these behavior of the molecule, that is magnetism, color and bond order. If we talk about the molecular orbital theory, so basically we can write that it is a latest theory that discuss the behavior of the molecule and the behavior or the properties of molecules, that are magnetism, color, bond order. Basically, I repeat, it is the latest theory that discuss the behavior of the molecule or the properties of the molecule like magnetism, color and bond order. They basically arrange a theory in order to get the solution. This theory was arranged because in order to get the solution of these behavior, as these behavior were not discussed by VBT and whisper, so this theory was arranged in order to get the solution of these behavior. Talking about the main postulates of this theory, first, when atomic orbitals means when two atomic orbitals either unpair or paired, they combine linearly. Linearly means there will be the linear combination of atomic orbital. So what was the first point? That when two atomic orbitals either paired or unpaired, they combine together, when they will be overlapped, they will combine linearly. Linearly means a linear combination of atomic orbital. They will be getting result. The result, as they will get result after overlapping, they get result. The result will be of two types. First is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Second, bonding molecular orbital. The result after combining it linearly, after combining the two atomic orbitals either paired or unpaired, then when they'll be combining linearly, the result we'll get will be two types, like anti-bonding molecular orbital and second is bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital is basically denoted, we can say the sign of anti-bonding molecular orbital is star. This is actually the sign for anti-bonding molecular orbital, and it has no sign. Means if there will be having like sign on any atom, so that it will be the anti-bonding molecular orbital, and if it has no sign, so it will be bonding molecular orbital. Talking about the properties of anti-bonding molecular orbital and bonding molecular orbital. In anti-bonding molecular orbital, it has higher energy level. Anti-bonding molecular orbital have higher energy level, and we know that the orbital having a higher energy level, so automatically they will get abnormal, means that be getting unstable. So due to the higher energy level, it will get unstable, and we can use the short form of anti-bonding molecular orbital, and that will be ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbital. If we talk about bonding molecular orbital, that is opposite of anti-bonding, that will be, it has these orbitals have a lower energy level, and due to this lower energy, it will be stable, and the short form for this will be BMO, means bonding molecular orbital. And as I have discussed that it will be having a sign like this star, and it have no sign. Now let's talk about the first postulate that I have discussed, that when atomic orbitals either unpaired or paired, they will combine linearly, they'll get result. Now talking about the structure of these atomic orbitals. For example, there will be the hydrogen atom. Now there will be the one orbital of hydrogen that will be clockwise, and second orbital that will be clockwise. So now when they'll get close to each other, when they'll overlap, they have electron, one is clockwise and second one is also clockwise. So when they'll come closer to each other, the electron will repel each other, and as they will repel each other, there will be the distortion in the shape of the orbitals. There will be the distortion in the shape of the orbital. The shape that is circle, it will convert into the oval shape. The oval shape is like that is circle, and due to the repulsion in the electrons of the orbitals, it will convert into this shape. So it will, as they will come closer, when they'll be overlapped with each other, they'll be overlapped linearly, they'll be combining linearly as the first postulate, and it will be combining linearly. So it will, due to the repulsion in the electron, it will make oval shape, and their electron will come in the sides, and their nucleus will come in the sides due to the repulsion, and the electron will move in at side due to the repulsion. And after this, that will be called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. It have higher energy level, and it gets unstable with the repulsion. So now it will make, that will be to remove the repulsion, to reduce the repulsion, or to make the bonding orbital, the bonding molecular orbital, their electron will come in this center. And how? I'll be telling. For example, like these are two electrons. Okay, they are coming closer to each other, means they are overlapped. Both are clockwise, so repulsion will occur, and due to the repulsion, there will be the distortion in the shape of the orbital. So the shape will get in oval, and the electron, due to the repulsion, the nucleus come in the side, and the electron will be on that side due to the repulsion. So the nucleus is on side, and one orbital is clockwise, second, again there will be the repulsion because the both are clockwise, so there will be the repulsion, and to remove that repulsion, to make the bonding orbital, that is ABMO, that is anti-bonding molecular orbital, because it have a higher energy. To make a bonding orbital, one electron will move clockwise and second will be moving to anti-clockwise. So that because it have a higher energy, so the repulsion will occur, because ABMO have a higher energy level, so the repulsion will occur. So to reduce the repulsion, to remove the repulsion, bonding molecular orbital will be formed. And bonding molecular orbital, when it will form, how it will form, this one electron, one will move into the clockwise, second will move into the anti-clockwise. So when they'll move like this, there will be the attraction between them. Instead of repulsion, there will be attraction, because the one is moving clockwise and second one is moving anti-clockwise, and here they are moving in the same direction, that is clockwise. So if one electron will move into the anti-clockwise and second will move into the clockwise, so there will be the reduction in the repulsion. So it will make a orbital, means bonding molecular orbital, which will be after the repulsion, means when the one electron become clockwise, second electron will become anti-clockwise. So the attraction between them, the electron will come in the center and nucleus on the centers of that. Here electron comes in the center, and here the electrons are on side because of the repulsion, and due to the attraction, now it will come in the center. So that, and it have now lower energy, it have higher energy. So that is what was the main postulate, that when atomic orbitals, either unpaired or paired, they combine linearly, they'll get a result anti-bonding and bonding. According to this structure, there will be two orbitals. When they'll be combining linearly, we'll get a result that will be anti-bonding and bonding.